Right, so just a quick video about this little trap that I've made. Just want to say first of all, I haven't been on all week because I slightly sprained my arm and I also caught a cold. You might be able to tell from my voice. So I was just having a rest and that, so I hadn't put no videos on for a while. But this is something I'd wanted to do for quite some time. I saw a picture of this on the internet years ago, to be honest, and I thought I wouldn't mind making one just for, just to try it, see what it was like. Be honest, it's probably one of the most pointless traps you can ever make because you have to use a trap to make the trap, if you know what I mean. So what it basically does, it turns a normal rat trap, mouse trap, into a live catch mouse trap. You could make it bigger with a rat trap if you wanted to, but you basically get a can, screw a mouse trap or a rat trap inside it, and then on the bar you just put a piece of wire mesh. It still works exactly the same as a normal one. Pass that through and attach it on. And then you're hoping the mouse would go right in, and then you probably put some bait at the back and put a little bit of bait on there. Let the mouse go in. He goes to get the bait, and then he's caught inside there like that, rather than killing it. So, like I said, it's kind of a bit of a pointless trap, unless you absolutely don't want to kill something with a trap. You want to only catch it alive. Because if you got mice, you could just use that. But it's something that I'd wanted to make for a long time, and try it out and see what it was like. So I've just got 3 screws. I had to do a couple of different holes because I'd originally did it with a different mouse trap, and it was one with a big wooden treadle plate. And when I screwed the screws in, it held the treadle plate up, so you've got to get the right kind of trap. And then I'd put some screws in, and that kind of got in the way of something else, so I had to keep changing them. The only other thing I had to do was I had to pinch these sides in, otherwise you had 2 big gaps there and there. But it's very easy to make, and once you got the idea of it, sets exactly the same as a normal mouse trap. But if for some reason you have to catch a mouse or something alive, then that's one way you could do it.